Everyone, this is my 15112 term project. My name is Jessie Lee. My project is a three-dimensional maze game in which you are a sphere and you navigate around a three-dimensional hedge maze with multiple layers, and the goal of the game is to get out of the maze. The game is called Amazing. Now there's two main parts to my project. The first part is this maze generator file, which is a Blender script which creates the randomly generated maze. Now this is Blender. As you can see, this is a maze that I've created. There are multiple levels here and down. This particular maze has 6 levels, and each level is a separate maze that is different from all the other mazes. So in Blender you can run a Python script in which you can select a script that you've written and then run it through the program, and it will my script will randomly create a maze. As you can see, it's randomly generated every single time. Now that you have a object, you can export it here. You can export it here in the Files section as a Panda 3D object, and you can save it to your computer, and it can be accessed in the next part of the project, which is the maze animation file, which will access your stored egg files of mazes and navigate you around the maze in a game. So this is the maze. There's a loading splash screen, and then the game is called Amazing. You can pick a mode. I'm going to pick marathon mode for this for now. It will start you in a randomly generated location, and as you can see, you are the sphere here. You're blue and green-ish, and you're in a three-dimensional maze. You can turn in multiple directions. You can navigate around the maze. As you can see, the collisions, the walls have collisions on them, so it will stop you from running into the walls or going through the walls. Now this is, you start on the top level of the maze, and your goal is to get to the bottom level of the maze. The game will tell you which direction you're going in at the time, which changes. It'll tell you what level you're currently on, and you can toggle instructions in which it will tell you more about the controls of the game, and also just a general introduction. Now as you can see, here I am. I've solved this layer of the maze. I have found a hole in the ground, which is basically the way to get to the next level of the maze. As the instructions say, if you drop and a drop is available, you can go to the next level. Here the drop is not available. I'll tell you that you can't drop here, but over here the drop is available. You can drop, and I have set it to start at the very end so we can see what happens when the game ends, and I'll also do timer mode, and I've started the timer mode, or set the timer mode to 10 seconds so we can see what happens when the timer runs out. So here we are, that's the exit. See how it's the exit out of the maze. And here I'm going to wait until the timer runs out, which is 10 seconds, and I'll say, oh, you lose. You can restart the game, and which will load for you, and then ask you to pick another mode. I'll pick marathon mode this time. And then here I can exit out of the maze, and I'll tell you that you win. Alright, thank you.